Hello viewer, Claude.ai please unlock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed problem. Let's see how to solve this issue. Step 1. Tap and hold on Claude app. Click on I button. Scroll down, tap on storage. Now clear cache data from the Claude app. Now open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Claude app. From here, update your Claude app. After complete the update process, your Claude AI Please Unlock Challenges Cloudflare.com to proceed problem will be solved.